Hi friends, today we're going to keep talking about measurement. And first, let's look at this ruler. What do you notice about this ruler right away? And I know it's kind of hard to see because of the glare. There's some numbers on this side, numbers on this side. We're going to be focusing today on our centimeter side right here. And then we're going to talk about meters, which are really long, and I'm going to have to stand up to show you guys that one. But as we talked about last time, centimeters are really, really small. They're the size of this. This is 1 centimeter. And we talked about measurement of length, the distance between one end of an object to the other. Let's do our song together. Measurement, end to end, no gaps or overlaps. One more time. Measurement, end to end, no gaps or overlaps. Well, now that we've learned about how to measure with our centimeter cubes and other objects and units, we're going to be learning how to measure with a ruler. So these are the things we're going to measure today. We're just going to measure these 3 objects, and I'm going to do it once, and then you're going to help me do it. The most important part of measuring with a ruler is that you start right here at this arrow or the 0. You don't start at the end of the ruler because that would be incorrect. So this is asking me, the picture of the animal track is about centimeters long. So I need to measure end to end, no gaps or overlaps. And I know I'm on my centimeter side because it says cm. So I can see starting right here, where it says start here, to here that this is 4 centimeters long. So I can write 4 centimeters on my paper. I wrote 4 centimeters on my paper. The next one you're going to do with me. So when you see the video pause and a quiz comes up, it's your job to answer those questions. This picture of a turtle is about centimeters long. I'm going to start where it says start here. And how many centimeters long do you see that the turtle is? That's right, 6 centimeters long. Finally, let's do the sandwich. How many centimeters long do you think this sandwich is? I'm going to start here. That's right, 9 centimeters long. So on the next question, you're going to be asked where you should start measuring on a ruler, and you're going to have to circle it. After that, you're going to be asked a series of questions with different objects, and you're going to have to think in your brain, what should I measure this object with? Should I measure it with centimeters, or should I measure it with meters? And I'll show you how big this meter stick is. This is a huge meter stick. This meter stick is 3.5 feet long. So I've got my centimeter here and my meter stick here. So let's think of the first example. If I have a marker, should I measure my marker with a meter stick or a centimeter cube or a centimeter or a ruler? Let me think in my brain. Well, I know a marker is much smaller than a meter stick, so I'm going to use my ruler or my centimeter cubes to measure in centimeters. Okay, so for the next few questions, you're going to be circling whether you should measure something with a ruler, like centimeters, or a meter stick. All right, have fun.